Have you ever wondered how it is possible that in every corner of the planet, more than 215 million LED TVs are sold every year? It's impressive to think about the magnitude and the tireless work carried out by technological factories to satisfy such enormous demand. To begin our journey, I want to take you on a trip through the evolution of television. Step 1. Design and assembly. One of the most impressive parts of an LED TV is undoubtedly its screen. Imagine for a moment that every image we enjoy, every vibrant scene, is the result of a technological masterpiece. The screen is, in effect, the canvas on which all those images that make us dream, laugh, and get excited are drawn. The process begins with the creation of the panel, which uses a special technique known as switch selection, although in some circles it is known by other technical names. This method consists of joining two ultra-thin glass sheets, almost as if they were slices of bread in a sandwich. Between these sheets, a layer of liquid crystal, LCD, is placed. An essential element that allows the pixels, those tiny points of light that make up each image, to turn on, off, and change color perfectly. But what is it that truly brings this screen to life? The answer lies in the insertion of a matrix of transistors, small electronic devices that act as switches for each pixel. These transistors meticulously control the brightness and color of each point, ensuring that the image is sharp, with astonishing details and true-to-life colors. And to achieve that infinite palette of hues, color filters, red, green, and blue, are applied, which when combined in various proportions, generate the incredible chromatic diversity we see in every scene. This screen manufacturing process is not something done on the fly. It is a ballet of precision and technology, where every sheet, every layer, and every transistor aligns to form a perfect image. The magic of the screen is translated into every pixel, every shade, every detail that makes the visual experience unique and captivating. Step 2. LED installation and light dispersion. Once the screen is assembled, one of the most impressive and essential processes takes place: the installation of the LEDs. Those small light-emitting diodes that are truly responsible for making each image shine with intensity and clarity. Imagine that the screen is a stage, and the LEDs are the lights that, with precision and without pause, illuminate every corner to highlight every detail. These LEDs are not placed arbitrarily. Their distribution is absolutely meticulous. Using automated robots, machines programmed to perform this task with astounding accuracy, they are positioned in strips along the entire screen. The precision in this step is crucial, as the exact placement of the LEDs guarantees that the light is distributed evenly, avoiding areas that are too bright or, on the contrary, too dark. But the technology doesn't stop there. To ensure that the light from these LEDs diffuses uniformly, a very special plastic material is used: plexiglass. This material acts as a light diffuser, ensuring that every area of the screen receives just the right amount of brightness, without losing that touch of uniformity that makes the image always perfect. Thanks to this process, each TV not only emits powerful light, but does so in a balanced way, offering vibrant and lively images. It is truly fascinating to see how the union of robotics, LED technology, and innovative materials results in a visual experience that captivates anyone sitting down to watch their favorite program or movie. Step 3. Assembly and precision. If the screen and lighting are the visible parts of the magic, what happens behind the scenes is equally crucial. This is where the electronic circuits are assembled, the true brains that make the TV function intelligently and efficiently. This step is a perfect example of how technology and manual precision combine to achieve a high-quality product. The process begins with the manufacture of several circuit boards, which serve as the physical support for all the vital electronic components. Within these boards, two fundamental elements are installed: the main board and the power board. The main board is, in a sense, the brain of the TV. It is responsible for managing the reception of the signal, whether from the antenna or the cable, and processing both the image and the sound. Moreover, it allows for an internet connection, opening the doors to a world of applications and streaming services that are indispensable today. On the other hand, the power board is responsible for distributing the electrical current to each component, ensuring that everything functions smoothly and without glitches. The assembly of these circuits is not a 100% automated process. In fact, it requires careful manual assembly in which specialized technicians meticulously place transistors, resistors, capacitors, and other essential components onto the baseboard. Every solder joint is made with precision, applying the exact amount of heat so that the connections are robust and secure. This step is an art in itself, where the precision and dedication of each worker translate into a final product that is not only technologically advanced, but also extremely reliable. Every component, no matter how small it may seem, plays a vital role in the overall functioning of the TV, and it is thanks to this meticulous work that we can enjoy an audiovisual experience free from interruptions or faults. Step 4. Assembly of the casing and external structure. With the electronic components and the screen in place, it's time to dress the TV in its final clothes, the casing. This is a process that, at first glance, may seem less technical, but is actually fundamental to ensure the product's durability and aesthetics. The casing not only protects the delicate internal components, but also gives the TV its shape and personality. The manufacturing of the casing is carried out using high-pressure plastic injection machines. Imagine liquid plastic being poured into precision molds that, upon cooling, acquire the exact required shape. These pieces, which can form the back, the sides, and the frame of the TV, are designed to be robust yet lightweight. The precision in this process is crucial because each casing must fit perfectly with the rest of the components, ensuring not only an impeccable appearance, but also resistance against shocks and falls. The assembly process of the casing is almost as artistic as the mounting of the circuits. Technicians join each part with utmost precision, ensuring that there are no gaps or misalignments. It is at this point where the TV acquires its final look, a combination of functionality and modern design that makes it stand out in any living room. Every detail is important, from the perfectly finished edges to the integration of ports and connectors that facilitate connection with other devices. Moreover, this casing is designed with the user experience in mind, ensuring that the TV is not only aesthetically attractive, but also ergonomic and easy to handle. Thus, a product is created that, besides being a work of engineering, is also a design element that complements any environment. Step 5. Rigorous testing and the final digital touch. Before an LED smart TV reaches our homes, it goes through a series of rigorous quality tests. In this step, we delve into the world of technical verification and the installation of the software that transforms the device into a smart one. The testing process is a fundamental ritual to ensure that each unit meets the highest quality standards. Image tests are conducted to ensure that all pixels work correctly. Imagine high-precision scanners traversing the screen, examining each point for imperfections. If any pixel does not respond properly, the device is re-examined until a perfect, flawless image is guaranteed. Sound tests are equally important. The speakers and audio outputs undergo meticulous checks to ensure that the sound is clear, powerful, and distortion-free. Every note and every effect is analyzed so that the auditory experience is as enriching as the visual one. But perhaps the most surprising touch comes with the installation of the software. This step is crucial, as it is what turns the TV into a smart TV. The software manages everything, from the internet connection and the downloading of applications, to the configuration of the user interface, the Wi-Fi connection, and personalization according to each customer's preferences. It's like endowing the TV with a digital brain that allows it to interact with the modern world, giving us access to streaming platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, and many others. Each of these processes is followed by final tests, during which the responsiveness of the controls, connectivity, and overall stability of the device are verified. Only when everything is functioning perfectly is the green light given to move on to the next and final step of the process. Step 6. Packaging, distribution, and the grand journey to your home. Finally, after having gone through all the previous stages, the moment arrives when the TV is ready to embark on its grand journey, from the factory to your home. This last step is as important as the others, as proper packaging is key to ensuring that the product arrives in perfect condition. The packaging process is carried out with great care. Each TV is placed in a sturdy cardboard box, specially designed to protect it from shocks, falls, and any possible damage during transport. Additionally, a layer of foam is added that acts as a protective cushion, ensuring that the screen and internal components are completely safeguarded against any impact. The packaging not only protects the TV, it also includes detailed instructions for its installation, power cables, HDMI cables, and other accessories necessary for the user to enjoy their new device without complications once home. It's like receiving a perfectly wrapped gift, ready to surprise and delight from the very first moment. Once packaged, the TV is loaded onto transport trucks that take it to distribution warehouses or directly to retail stores. From there, the device is distributed throughout the country, reaching the hands of consumers eagerly waiting to enjoy the best technology in their living rooms. This final step is the perfect conclusion to a process that combines innovation, precision, and passion for technology. From the conception of the product to the final packaging, every stage is carried out with the aim of offering a unique and high-quality experience to the user. And behind every LED smart TV, there is a team of people committed to bringing technological magic into every home, transforming the way we experience entertainment. If you enjoyed learning about the process and discovering more about the manufacturing of these incredible devices, do not hesitate to leave your comments, share this video, and subscribe to continue uncovering more secrets and curiosities from the technological world. See you next time.